Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to highlight weekend days and holidays in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So what you're gonna have to do here, you can see that basically we have this list of days here. So let's suppose that if I wanted to highlight the weekend days here like Saturday and Sunday here, so I will select basically all of the list here, and then I will make sure that you are into this home tab and then go to this conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and click text that contains. So first you have to make like basically you have to set the conditional formatting for Saturday. So you can select any color from here, maybe like on because this is an off day, so let's choose green fill here, click OK. Then basically again select your weekend days here, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains, and this time type here like Sunday. So just type here Sunday and also choose the green for this, so green here and click OK. So now here you can see that in this list we have our 4 weekend days. Okay, so that's how you can basically highlight the weekend days in Microsoft Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.